Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to fish inside of Palworld. The simple answer is, to get access to some of those pals that are only available under the water, you need to reach level 15, and you need to unlock the beginner fishing set. You'll also need to be able to craft either beginner level bait, or if you get up to a little bit higher level at level 22, you can get high quality bait. So when you want to craft these bad boys, you just have to have a workbench. An advanced workbench works too. And then here you can craft yourself a fishing rod. If you have the right materials, you just need some aquatic pal fluids, some paldium, 8 ingots, and some fiber. And you can also craft either low quality bait, which requires berries, aquatic pal fluids, and flour, or you can craft some slightly better with tomatoes, pal fluids, and flour as an alternative. I made a bunch of the higher quality bait, and there's ones that are really good at pulling in pals that are a much higher quality bait beyond that, I believe. And then after that, all you have to do is teleport over to a spot of water that you think has pals in it. So the next thing you're going to need to do is go find a spot that looks like it has pals in it, and you might need to kind of walk around here for a second till they spawn. And you'll know that they're there in order to fish when you've got your rod equipped, because it'll look like there's some neon outlines in the water having a rave party. And they could be anywhere along the ocean or in ponds. You just have to look for them. They spawn after you've been around the water for a little while. Here we go. Here's a set of pals that you can fish for in the water. They literally just look like neon silhouettes in the water, and the fancier their sparkly silhouette, the rarer they tend to be with better traits. So I've got high quality bait selected. If you have more than one, you can switch between them using the mouse wheel, and then you can just click the left click in order to cast. And then this is going to look a lot like if you ever played Stardew Valley. Once they get closer to the bait and they actually bite it, it'll give you an exclamation mark. You can click, and then you just have to keep your little reticle underneath of the fish marker until your wheel is completely full. It can be a little tricky, and with the higher quality fishing rods beyond the basic, it makes it a little bit easier to do this. And then once you catch them, you just pull them out of the water like this. And that's a whopper. That's a really big one. You can get ones that are like huge, or you can get ones that are small. And you can continuously catch these so long as there's some silhouettes in the water that you can physically see. And this does encourage you to move around quite a bit, because if you look in the distance, there's another set on the opposite side of the shore that I can catch next once I run out of pals on this side of the water. And that's about it. I mean, you can catch stuff that you can see above the water too. You'll end up seeing like some of these celeries and some of these other guys. But there's also fish under the water that you don't necessarily normally see in this area, that you can only really catch this early, or at least in this region, by fishing. It's also a really good way to get pals with pretty good stats, because you can run by, you can see which ones are fancy or not by the sparkle or the aura around them, or the color of their glow. And if they don't have what you want, you can just move on. And then that's basically it. The only other things that you can do is under technology, is you keep scrolling down. Eventually you unlock better fishing rods, like the intermediate fishing rod. And then down here is an expert fishing rod as well. And each one of those makes it easier with a longer grab bar to catch the different fish that you have. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a basic guide to how to fish inside of Palworld, in case you're curious. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.